Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you an application that I made that easily generates READMEs. I'm sure just like yourselves and probably every single developer out there, reading these is, the biggest pain in the butt, but it is one of the most important because if you can't explain your application to people, then it's pretty much just rendered useless. So without further ado, let's get into it. This generator works by taking users' responses through the npm package inquire, and I essentially have a skeleton of what the README file is going to be like in string form, and then I use the user's inputs from this inquiry or their answers to fill the content for the different sections of README. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do if you don't already have it is download node.js. By using this, you will be able to use my application. So make sure you do that if you already don't have it. And then you're going to go into my repository for this application, and you're going to want to copy and paste or clone the link here, SSH or HTTPS, both work. And then you're going to want to go through your terminal or code editor, pick a location where you want to put it, the repository. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you everything through the actual development folder that I used to make this application. But what you would do is go down here and do git clone, hit enter, and then you'll have the repository into that location that you have navigate on the computer. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is here, let's just clear up my terminal just so you got something to look at. And you're going to want to go to this index.js file. So let's open it in our integrated terminal. And the command that you're going to use to run the application is going to be node and then this file name, this index.js. So index.js. So this will ask the very first prompt. So what's the title of your project? So we're just going to copy and paste everything here, but it would obviously be a manual input. So it's going to be this make readmes easy again. So we're going to copy and paste that, hit enter, and that's just going to store your response as a string, which will then be used later to populate the fields in the README. Write a description of the project. So we'll just go down here to description, copy and paste all that. Here, hit enter again. How is the project developed? Copy and paste. Again, right here. Okay, so I skipped that part, but no big deal. How do you use the project? We will go down here, usage, put that there. And then were there any tests conducted? There's no tests, so I can just write down none. What's the contributors? We'll just say myself. And then what licenses were used? I actually didn't use a license on this one, but just for demonstration purposes, we'll just do IBM. What is your GitHub username? PWG26. What is your email? cascade@gmail.com. Yes. All right, great. So my README is created, and it's going to be created in the folder with this index file. So let's have a look at it. So for the skeletal structure that we had before, we used contents, description, development, installation, usage, test, contributors, licenses, and contact information. And those questions were asked in successive order just a couple minutes ago. And we will just have a look and see how she turned out. So I have this view here. So make readmes easy again. I populated the license up here, the description, and the development, and all the other sections that we have populated. So there you guys go. Super duper easy. We'll save you guys a lot of time. And you guys should smash that like button below and look at my other videos that are here to come. You guys have a great day or evening if you're watching this at night.